Yesterday's video ended up a little long, so I've separated it, and we're going to do a waterfall and a little tuck using the note papers and the stickers from the dollar stores. This is for the November Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and this is the second half of the note paper and stickers video, and we are going to be making a waterfall and a tuck, so we'll drop in where we left off. What the heck is she going to do with that stuff? That's what I hear sometimes. I can't wait to see what you're going to do with, whatever. And so I want to make a tuck, okay, using this. And we'll go ahead and put it on this paper. Okay, so a tuck. So this will be able to go in the journal on a corner, and it will have a place to write, and it will have decoration. So I think that will be really cool. And we could go ahead and cut this down the way here, but I'm not going to do it that way this time. So we're just going to cut around this square, because you want to have a square when you're making a tuck, and your square can be pretty much any size that you want to use. And then I'm going to just go ahead and go corner to corner, corner to corner, and then I'm going to put this truck on that. So I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut this cute little truck. Okay, but here that gives us that truck, or yeah, so there we've got our truck. Since this is the red truck journal, it's got red trucks and deer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and come a little closer. Because I want to get closer to that border, and I don't want the white to go down into that border. Okay, so there we go. There we go. Just put him on there. So that is our little tuck, and it will get glued down here and be able to go into a corner and flip up. But I wanted to show you that with the little square and that sticker, because it was just looking at me like, what are you going to do with me? So another thing that we can do is using all of our little pads, if we can find them all, or pieces from each. Okay, I wanted this one. Can't find that one. Oh, here it is. Found it. Okay, so we have one of each, and I'm thinking, okay, that right down there, that will look good. And okay, I want that. Okay, like, what are you doing, Julie? I am making a waterfall. Okay, so there we go. Okay. Okay, so we need this paper to be straight. So I've lined these papers up. I have the Enjoy the Little Things is facing up. And I'm going to pull this down. Okay, then I've got this one. I've turned it the other way, and I'm going to line it up. I'm going to go ahead and, okay, I'm going to put this one up like this. I'm going to pull this one down so we get color from this one for our stack. Okay. Are we straight? Okay. Then we're going to pull this one down. And we are going to put this on there. Okay, so I'm going to glue that one on there. Okay, so how are we going to do this? So let's... Okay, so this becomes... It's going to be an odd kind of flip thing here, you guys. Okay, so let's go up. Let's flip this up. Okay, so like we do with the flip-flop, we're making the little gutter. See there? Little gutter. I'm going to go ahead and add my gloppity glue. Gloppity glue. Okay. I'm going to put this down. And then this goes down. And then this, okay, are we straight? We're not straight. How did we get unstraight? Okay, so there's that. And then we need to fold this one up and put our glue on there. Okay, we're going to fold this down because I want it to go, remember, I want it to go right here on the Enjoy. There we go. So flip down. We've got places to write or put things. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue this down. We could go to the side and could add to this side. Or we could just go in the middle. I'm going in the middle because otherwise I'm going to be here forever and we'll never get this video uploaded. So I should have up above here, you know what, I have this Christmas tree. And, you know, I did say we were using these. So we're just fussy cutting around this Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. You could use the napkin, because I have pieces of the napkin still left that have Christmas tree on them. We could do that. Would be kind of cool. So I had several people say that they like seeing how to use these note papers. You know, because you buy them and you get 40, 60, 80 note papers. And what are you going to do with all of them? So there is that one. So, and I like to use, I think you know, doing like the dollar store challenge and finding out if you even like to do junk journals might be a good way of starting. Because if you spent all that money on vintage stuff and then find out that you don't even like this hobby, that would be a bummer to have spent, you know. So you can go ahead and spend $15 and see if this is even something that you would like. And so that, I think, has been one of the really fun things about the dollar store challenges that Kara and I have done. And then Jessica at I'm a Cool Mom, she did the first one, and it was like at the end of summer a couple years ago, and it was pretty amazing what you could do. And I love paper, so I have really enjoyed being able to use the papers that have come out. And I really like this, you guys. I like this. So this can go into the journal as like a border, a side border. Doesn't have to be a tag. Let's see. You know, like it can go like here, and then you could have it be a tuck as well. Could be a belly band. It's not quite as tall as that page, but it could even go on a page like this, or it might be good on a page. Well, it's going to take up too much room on that page. But ooh, I like it on that page. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to play with this and figure out where I want it to go. It could also go in and just be put down here and here. You would then have a place that you could put things, as well as being able to do this flip up. And of course you can do this with all different kinds of things. It doesn't have to be this note paper. We just have a lot of pieces of note paper. If you picked note paper as one of your items, see, then it could become a floating little thing. Could go like that. It could also be clipped in. Might be kind of cool on that page. So there you go. What did we make? What did we make? We made... That one got put away somehow. Okay, so let's check it out. What we see, we still have all those note papers that we can make things out of if we want to. So we made our waterfall. Okay. We have our little tuck. Our little red truck tuck. And this one with the burlap on the top. And then we have this one here. So with the ruffle and some of the stickers, the to and from stickers, the truck, and the bling. And so I think that this is really, really, really fun. And of course we have bling, so why not add it to our tree, right? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and tell me what you would like to see more of on this channel. Oh, I really like that. I like that with the tree. So, okay, so this tree, and they both should have... Okay, so the one other thing that we do here on Dear Julie is we have our fingernail polish, and we need to get it out and glitter all of this stuff. I like the fingernail polish. This is number 544 from the Dollar Tree, and I like it because it dries really fast and it sparkles really, really good. And what I've been doing on this journal is I've just been putting glitter anywhere that there is foliage, flowers, and greenery, holly. So just to give it a little sparkliness. And we haven't put any on the red truck ribbons, but there we go. Why not? I think these trees need some sparkle. I hope I don't ruin them. I love sparkle. Okay. Okay, so there's that. And I think we'll go ahead, since we have them. Okay, so these they're the ones that you could pull the whole line. So I'm pulling them and then pushing the piece underneath. I'm going to put 3 little berries, the dot, 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 because that's how I do things. Dot, dot, dot. And I am going to go ahead and take it down onto the paper, and that kind of makes the whole thing look like it's all part of what we've got going on. So we don't have any glitter here, so I'm going to glitter these 2 right here. And that is going to be the end of this video. So I hope that you really enjoyed watching. And I know I went on and on. I was enjoying this. This was, I think these were really fun. I think they turned out, pretty cute. And it felt good to be creating. It felt good to be creating. Thanks for being here. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join the November Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. You still have time to make your journal. We'd love to have you. It's in the description box below. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye.